Hi guys, we made it to move in Shepparton.
We're at the museum.
There's a lot of trucks and a lot of cars here, a lot of Kenworth stuff, but I've just spotted a superliner hiding there in the corner. So that's pretty exciting. We found we found a lot of hidden gems here, a lot of Tiranas, Monaros. We've even found Yogi's truck from Outback Truckers. So that's pretty exciting. Just found a bike hiding there. Yeah, this is
Jurassic Park Jeep over here.
Yeah, so we've it's pretty.
Kids are currently playing the Daytona machines in the corner. There's a truck simulator. Pretty cool.
Caitlin's been simulating driving a truck, so she's pretty excited about a new career now. So
it's on the bucket list. I'm going to drive a truck one day.
So anyway, yeah, so we're here. We're hot as. We're about to go back and have a swim, I reckon. So we've checked into the rally.
Played some mini golf this morning.
That was really good. Went to the Apple chocolate shop.
Yep.
Yeah, is that what it was called? Yeah, and we've bought a few little treats from there, which is really cool. So anyway, we'll talk soon.